Hello everyone, this is Nasir again. Today we will explore roots of unity. Unity means the number 1. We will try to find the different roots of unity and look at their geometric interpretation. Let us start by looking at what exactly a root is. If x and y are two numbers such that x raised to power n is equal to y, then x is called nth root of y. For example, we have 3 square is equal to 9. So 3 is second root or square root of 9. Likewise, minus 3 is also the second root of 9. Likewise, we have 5 raised to power 3 is equal to 125. So 5 is third root of 125. In the same way, our topic today is to find the numbers z such that z raised to power n is equal to 1. Any such z which satisfies this equation is called an nth root of unity. But wait, we already know that only the real number 1 is such that its any integral power is equal to 1. There is no other real number whose integral power becomes equal to 1. So, is the nth root of unity just the real number 1? This is true if we are looking for roots in the set of real numbers. There is only one such number, which is 1, that satisfies this equation. However, we are concerned with the complex numbers of the form z equal x plus iota y, or in an exponential form we can write z as r e raised to power iota theta. In general, there are more than one complex numbers that are nth roots of unity. So let us find these roots of unity. We write the exponential form of the complex number. Suppose z is equal to e raised to power r e raised to power iota theta. We need to find the values of r and theta such that z raised to power n is equal to 1. This implies that r e raised to power iota theta raised to power n is equal to 1. So we can write it as r raised to power n e raised to power iota n theta is equal to 1. From this we have two equations, r raised to power n is equal to 1 and e raised to power iota n theta is equal to 1. Because r is a real number, therefore we have r equal 1, and now we need to find the value of theta and we are done. For finding the value of theta, let us write e raised to power iota theta as cos theta plus iota sin theta. So we can write e raised to power iota n theta equal 1 as cos n theta plus iota sin n theta, and right hand side is equal to 1. You can see that the right hand side is just a real part. Its imaginary part is equal to 0. Therefore, we have cos n theta is equal to 1 and sin n theta is equal to 0. These two equations will be satisfied. Cos n theta will be equal to 1 for all values of n theta equal to 0 or 2 pi or 4 pi or 6 pi or minus 6 pi or minus 4 pi, negative values as well as positive multiples of the angle 2 pi. So we can write it as n theta equal 2k pi, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, and we can go up to infinity. And this equation also satisfies for if n theta is a multiple of the angle 2 pi. From this we obtain theta equal 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on. Here also plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on. In this form, there are many complex numbers that which are repeating. For example, for the value of k equal 0, we have theta equal 0, and for k equal n we have theta equal 2 pi. So the angle theta equals 0 and the angle 2 pi are equivalent. They lie at this point, so they generate the same complex number. We obtain unique complex number z for only the values from k equal 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. From this we see that there are n unique complex roots of unity, nth roots of unity, n unique nth roots of unity for values of k from 0 to n minus 1. So if we are concerned with fifth root of unity, there will be 5 unique values. If we are concerned with finding seventh roots of unity, there will be 7 values of z that will be unique and will be the roots of the unity. So nth roots of unity have the form z equal e raised power 2k iota pi divided by n, where k is from 0 to n minus 1. For example, second roots of unity, z equal e raised power 2k iota pi divided by 2, put 2 for the value of n, k goes from 0 to 1. So there are 2 roots corresponding to k equals 0, which is equal to e raised power 0 equal to 1, and the other root is z1 is equal to e raised power iota pi. This is equal to cos pi plus iota sin pi. Sin pi is equal to 0 and cos pi is equal to minus 1. So there are 2 roots, 1 and minus 1. If we look at the complex plane, one root lies here and the other roots lie here. Third roots of unity, z equal e raised power 2k iota pi divided by 3, where k is from 0, 1 up to 2. There are 3 unique third roots of unity. One of them is corresponding to k equals 0, which is e raised power 0, which is equal to 1. Other root is for k equal 1, e raised power 2 pi iota divided by 3. The angle 2 pi by 3 is 120 degrees. So we can write it as cos 2 pi by 3 plus iota sine 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2 and sine 2 pi by 3 is 3 under root by 2. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2, 1 minus iota 3 under root. This is one root, and the last root corresponding to k equal to, which is equal to e raised power 4 pi iota divided by 3, which is equal to cos 4 pi by 3 plus iota sine 4 pi by 3. You can evaluate the values of cos 4 pi by 3 and sine 4 pi by 3 yourself. Nth roots of unity, z equal e raised power 2k iota pi divided by n, where k is from 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. Let us look at the geometric interpretation. Here is the complex plane. It is important to note that all the nth roots, n being any integer, all the nth roots of unity lie on this unit circle, where this is the real axis and it is imaginary axis. If we are finding second roots of unity, then just divide 360 degree by 2. It is equal to 180 degree. One root will be at here, which is always equal to 1. And the second root will be 0 plus 180 degree at this point. If we are concerned with third roots, divide 360 degree by 3. This is equal to 120 degree. So one root will be at 0 degree. The other root will be at 120 degree. And the last root will be at 120 multiplied by 2, 240 degree. and 240 degree will be roughly at this point. So this angle is again 120 degree, this angle is again 120 degree. Sixth roots of unity, then divide 360 degree by 6. This is equal to 60 degree. So first root will be at 0 angle, second root will be at 60 degree here, next root will be at 120 degree, this is 60 degree, 120 degree, again add 60, next root will be at 180 degree, next root will be at add 60 degrees further, so 240 degree, next root will be at, this angle is again between the two corresponding roots is angle again is the 60 degree, and overall this angle is 240 plus 300 degrees. From 0 degree up to here is the angle 300 degrees, and these are the 6 root. First mean one of the 6th root, this one, this one, this one, this one, and the last root lies here. And if we move further, the roots will start repeating itself. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment on the video, and please support us by subscribing to the channel.